The 2025 Audi RS5 is here, and it's more powerful, stylish, and high-tech than ever. With a bold new design, upgraded performance, and cutting-edge technology, this sports coupe is built to dominate both the streets and the track. From its aggressive stance to its turbocharged power under the hood, the RS5 is all about speed, luxury, and precision handling. But what's new for 2025, and how does it compare to its rivals? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about Audi's latest high-performance masterpiece. Today, we'll talk about Audi RS5 2025. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. Imagine a car that offers the perfect blend of power, luxury, and precision engineering. The 2025 Audi RS5 is that car. With performance that takes your breath away and a design that demands attention, the RS5 is a masterpiece that pushes the boundaries of what a luxury sports car can be. From its cutting-edge technology to its remarkable performance, every detail is crafted to deliver a thrilling driving experience. Stick around until the end because you won't want to miss out on all the exciting features this car has to offer. 10. Performance. Let's start with what really matters, the performance. The 2025 Audi RS5 is powered by a 2.9-liter V6 twin-turbocharged engine, generating an impressive 444 horsepower and 442 pound-feet of torque. This power is sent to all four wheels thanks to Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system, ensuring that you get maximum grip and control in any driving condition. The RS5 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds, truly blistering speeds for a car in this class. Whether you're on a winding mountain road or cruising on the highway, the RS5 handles every corner with precision, making each drive an absolute thrill. The engine's responsiveness and smooth power delivery create a driving experience that feels like an extension of your own body. For those looking for even more performance, the RS5 offers an optional sport exhaust system, which amplifies the engine's growl, providing an exhilarating soundtrack to every drive. It's the perfect blend of raw power and refined performance. 9. Transmission and handling. To match the RS5's impressive engine, Audi has equipped this car with an 8-speed automatic transmission, which shifts quickly and seamlessly for an engaging driving experience. Whether you're on a tight city street or a long open highway, RS5 responds precisely to your inputs, ensuring that every gear change feels effortless. The handling is where Audi's performance pedigree really shines. The RS5 features dynamic steering and a sport-tuned suspension that enhances cornering capability without sacrificing comfort. The adaptive suspension system automatically adjusts to the road conditions, offering a smooth ride on rough roads while maintaining sporty dynamics on twisty backroads. This combination of comfort and performance is what sets the RS5 apart in its class. 8. Quattro all-wheel drive. Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system deserves its own mention because it's integral to the RS5's performance. This sophisticated system provides exceptional grip and stability, no matter the weather conditions. Whether you're driving on icy roads or wet surfaces, Quattro ensures that the car maintains traction, allowing you to push the car to its limits with confidence. For the 2025 model, Audi has made slight improvements to the system, offering more precise control and better handling on challenging roads. The Quattro system, combined with the RS5's sporty suspension and responsive steering, ensures that this car is ready for any driving scenario. 7. Exterior design. Now let's talk about the exterior of the 2025 Audi RS5. Audi is known for its sharp modern designs, and the RS5 is no exception. The front end features the signature single-frame grille, flanked by aggressive air intakes that not only add to the car's menacing look, but also improve airflow to the engine, keeping it cool during high-performance driving. The RS5's sleek, sculpted lines flow smoothly from front to back with broad fenders and a wide stance that emphasize its athletic capabilities. The rear features quad exhaust tips and a rear diffuser, underscoring the car's high-performance nature. Optional matrix LED headlights offer a striking visual signature, lighting up the road with precision. The design isn't just for looks, though. The car's aerodynamic enhancements, including a rear spoiler and optimized underbody, help improve performance by reducing drag and increasing stability at higher speeds. 6. Interior. Inside the 2025 Audi RS5, luxury and technology are seamlessly integrated. The cabin features high-quality materials like leather, alcantara, and brushed aluminum, creating a modern, luxurious atmosphere. The RS5 comes with sport front seats that offer excellent lateral support during aggressive driving while ensuring comfort for long trips. Audi has also focused on creating an immersive driving experience with its advanced digital cockpit, The 12.3-inch virtual cockpit display provides all the driving information you need right in front of you, and you can customize it to suit your preferences. The infotainment system, powered by Audi's M&I Touch system, is quick to respond and features a crisp, high-resolution display. The interior is designed with ergonomics in mind, with every control falling right where you need it. The flat-bottom steering wheel adds a sporty touch and allows for precise handling. With plenty of room for both driver and passengers, the RS5 offers a premium driving experience that doesn't skimp on comfort. 5. Technology and infotainment. Speaking of technology, the 2025 Audi RS5 is packed with cutting-edge features. The M&I Touch system controls the car's infotainment, allowing you to access navigation, music, and climate settings with ease. It's intuitive, easy to use, and responds quickly to touch commands. Audi's virtual cockpit is a standout feature, replacing the traditional instrument cluster with a fully customizable digital display. The virtual cockpit provides real-time data on your speed, navigation, and performance metrics, giving you all the information you need in one place. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, making it easy to integrate your smartphone with the car's system. Whether you're taking calls, sending messages, or playing music, everything is seamlessly integrated into the RS5's advanced system. For audiophiles, the available Bang & Olufsen sound system offers an incredible listening experience with crystal-clear audio. 4. Safety features. When it comes to safety, the Audi RS5 doesn't compromise. The car is equipped with a suite of driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. These features help make driving easier and safer, especially in traffic or on long highway trips. 3. Customization options. Audi knows that luxury buyers value personalization, and the 2025 RS5 offers plenty of options to make your car truly your own. You can choose from a wide range of exterior colors, including exclusive RS-specific hues like Nardo Gray and Mythos Black. The interior can be customized with various trim options, including different leather and Alcantara finishes, so you can create a cabin that suits your taste. 2. Fuel efficiency. While performance is the primary focus of the RS5, Audi has also made strides in improving fuel efficiency. Thanks to its turbocharged engine and advanced transmission, the RS5 offers reasonable fuel economy for a high-performance vehicle. This makes it a better daily driver than many of its competitors, especially for those who want a balance of performance and practicality. 1. Value and resale potential. Finally, let's talk about the value of the 2025 Audi RS5. As a luxury sports car, the RS5 comes with a premium price tag, but it's a car that retains its value over time. Audi's reputation for reliability and high-quality engineering ensures that the RS5 will continue to perform at a high level for years to come, making it a smart investment. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.